Hi there. We learned in class about resolving negative exponents and zero exponents within the context of a ratio. And we know that this actually is a ratio because anything can be written as over 1. We just don't typically write that 1. So I'm going to be looking at each of these coefficients and variables independently to see, is there an exponent that I need to somehow resolve? So this 4, it has a positive exponent, a positive 1. Again, we just don't typically write it. And so I'm good to leave that 4 in the numerator of my ratio. This x, however, it has a negative exponent, and that's an issue because I don't want negative exponents. And I can resolve that by changing the location of that variable. Currently, this x to the negative 3 is in the numerator. So I can change this to a positive 3 by switching the x from the numerator down to the denominator. And so this x is going to come to the denominator, and the negative 3 is going to become a positive 3. Any variable or coefficient that has a 0 as an exponent is technically 1, and that's true for anything with 0 as an exponent. It's actually 1. And so we have up in the numerator times 1. So my last step is just going to be to look, do I have any other steps that would require simplification or combining like terms, something along those lines. And I notice here that while there are no other x's, so I'm good to leave x cubed in the denominator, 4 times 1 can be simplified to just 4. And that is my answer.